Okay, so grade 7 girls, let us continue with lesson number 4.4, expand expressions. Okay. Turn to page 212. Is it 12 or 13?
Miss 11, we are in page 211.
Okay, we are at question 11.
Miss, actually we did 211, but not all of us, we did it.
Yes.
We
Which
didn't
question? Yes, you were doing it and I did not discuss with you. You were doing it by
Yes.
your own, right?
Yes.
I remember. Yeah. Which question? From which question I did not do it with you? I
9, Miss. Nine. Miss 9. 9, yes.
Yes. This is C, y equal. What is happening? 1 minute. 0.5 plus 8. You know very well that I multiply. Malak, are you looking at it? And I multiply
Yes,
y again to 8, so I get 8y. This one, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 4 times 4 is 16x, minus 8. That day, what did I tell you? Don't stop here. After that, look at the like terms. What is 16x doesn't have a partner, but 12 has partner, yes. What is your answer? 16x plus 4 is the answer. Or 4 plus 16x, anyways. Now here, 6 times y is 6y, 6 times x is 6x. Here, when you multiply minus 2.5, multiply by 3, you get 7.5. Why do you get positive? Because both are negative. Both are negative, you get positive 7.5. Then 4 times 5, 20, 4 is 8, 9, 10. You got, can you just multiply and tell me how much is 2.5 multiplied by 3?
7.5.
2.5 multiplied by, okay.
Miss, I got 7.5.
Yes, but multiply by 4. Do multiply by 4. Minus 2.5 times 4.
Minus 2.5 multiplied by 4. Minus 10.
Minus 10. 10. And then minus 2.5 multiplied by 8. Yalla, Leen, wake up. Minus 2.5 multiplied by 8. How much do you get?
Minus 20.
Minus?
20.
Okay. So now here I have minus 10 and plus 7.5 and minus 20. What are the like terms?
Minus 10n and...
No, like terms. Like term means what are similar? The numbers, these numbers are there, right? 10n, yeah. Does it have a partner? It doesn't have a partner. But 7.5 and minus 20, they are numbers. So you get minus 10n. And when you do plus 7.5 minus 20, what do you get?
Minus 10 plus 7.5.
No, yeah. See, Vateen, how can you subtract 10? Because this has n. You will do 7.5 minus 20.
Okay, minus 12.5.
N. Sorry, yes. No n, sorry. Yes, this is your answer. This is your answer. Any questions you have? You got this? Very good, yeah. Any questions, girls?
No.
This you multiply, you get minus 1 over 3y. And minus you get plus. Then you have 1 over 3x. Because see, first you multiply with y, you get y. Then you multiply that number with the x, you get x. Now you'll say, teacher, why this plus? Because minus times minus is plus. Now this one, 8 times 6, 48x. 8 times 4, minus 32. 8 times 4, 48x. Minus 32. Any questions?
No, Miss.
Question 16, put a cross mark. Come to this lesson. Find a difference equivalent to product. 11.
Miss, and 15.
Put a cross mark. You will do 11x minus 11y. Yalla Malak.
Yes, Miss.
Do question 18 with me. Multiply 0.4 to minus 5 and tell me the answer.
Okay.
0.4 to minus 5. The others, please check. Check. Check 0.4 multiplied by minus 5.
Yes, first we will
What's the answer? What is the answer?
Yes, Miss. The answer is minus 7. Minus 7.52.
No. I ask you 0.4 multiply by minus 5. What is it?
Minus 2, Miss.
Malak, you have to multiply each with this number. Then multiply 0.4 minus 7. 0.4 times minus 7. Do this.
Okay.
0.4 multiply by minus 7. Do you have calculator or not, Malak?
No, not right now. Miss, minus 2.8.
Go and get this. Minus 2.8. Don't forget this y. And then 0.4 multiply by 13.8. Tell me.
Miss, minus 13.8.
No. 0.4 multiply by minus 13.8.
Why, Miss? Why don't we put the minus sign?
We put the minus sign.
Yeah, Miss, but it was 0.4 multiply minus 13.8.
What is the answer? Yes.
Minus 5.52.
Did you get it? See, it's not minus 13.8, it is minus, what is it? Minus 5 point?
Miss, 0.4 multiply minus 13.8. Minus 5.52.
Now, Malak, tell me the like terms here. Which are the like terms?
X minus 4.
Malak, look at this question. I wrote this. I ask you, which are the like terms, which are from the same family here?
2.8 and yeah, only 2.8.
It is all alone. 2.8 is all alone. How about these numbers? Are they not numbers? So what will you do with these numbers here, Malak? You will solve this.
We will solve it and then
How much do you get when you solve it? Yes.
Yes,
Vatin,
and
how much do
then
you get?
we will write Crims -2
Minus
-2.
5.52.
I got -7.52.
Minus 7.52. So your answer is this one, minus 2.8y minus 7.52. Even if you write the other way, if you put 7.52 and then it's the same.
Then
7 times 7 is 49x. See, let me write the question first. The question is 7 and 7x minus 3y minus 6. So first open 7 times 7 is 49x. Then 7 times 3 is 21y. 21y. And then minus 6. Why don't you multiply this? Because it is not in the parenthesis. You don't multiply 7 times 6, okay? You don't multiply 7 times 6 because it is not in the parenthesis. This is your answer. Y times minus 3y, then minus 8x and y. Because see, when you multiply y and x, you get xy, okay? Or xy. Why do I not write yx? Because I told you the first letter, yx comes before y, that's why I write xy. Like example, if you have 2c multiplied by 5b, you will put 10bc, you will not put cb. First, you will prefer the first letter and then the next letter. Understood?
yes.
Great.
I'm done, Miss.
Okay. An architect's plan to build an extension to Millie's rectangular deck. The let x represent the increase in meters of a deck's land expression. 5x plus 8 represents the area of the deck. Find 5 is where 5 is the width and meters and x plus 8 is the length. Use the distributive property to write an expression that represents the total area of the milling works. So let us do 5x plus 8. Let us do the distributive property. 5 times x is 5x and 5 times 8 is 40. That's your answer.
Friends.
We have 2 questions here. Minus half times 4. Tell me, minus half times 4 means it will be minus 2. Then minus half times 2, it will be plus 1. Minus half times 8x There will be minus 4x. Please check. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 minus 4x. This is your answer. So here it applies and here it applies. See, this one is this same as this and this one is this. Come on, guys. 1/5 times 5 means 5 and 5 get cancelled, get me 1 minus 7/5y plus 2. This is your answer. When you multiply this 2, you get 1. When you multiply 1/5 multiply by 7, you get 7/5y. When you multiply 1/5 multiply by 10, you get 5 times 1 and you get plus 2. Girls, you must know both the simplification with calculator and without calculator. So do you understand? Like if I make a rough column here and explain you. First, there were 3 things. 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. First, I multiply with 5. Second, I multiply with minus 7. Third, I multiply with plus 10. When I multiply this, 5 and 5, you get only 1. When I multiply this, you get minus 7/5. When I multiply this, 5 times 1 and 5 times 2, I get plus 2. So this is what? 1/1 minus 7, 5. This one was with y, that's why I write y. 7/5y. And then plus 2. Okay? Any questions? Mateen, any question?
No, miss. Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Come on, Vatin, tell me the answer. Even you do this on the sticky note or in the copybook or in anywhere. Or if you have space in the textbook, you can do there also. Come on, Vatin, it's your turn. Next, it will be Lean.
Okay,
What
miss,
is the
first
answer?
we're gonna do 4 multiply m and then 4
Tell me the
multiply
answer, yes. Tell me the answer.
5, 10, 10, 20, 20 m.
What should I write?
2, 0.
Vatin, what did you multiply first?
5 multiply 4.
Why didn't you multiply 4 and m?
Oh.
Check again. That's wrong what you're saying. Check again.
Okay. 4. It's gonna be 5.
Wrong here, Mateen. How can it be 5? How can you add M to something? Okay, Yalla, Alim, tell me the answer. Excellent. 20? How can it be M? I don't understand M. Now see, Mateen, see how we did it.
Yes.
You have 4 and you have M plus 5, right? So
Yeah.
4 times M is 4M. 4 times 5 is 20. This is the answer.
Okay.
Where did you go wrong, Mateen?
Because I didn't multiply 4 with M.
Your first step is that. That's why I put C. Even that's why when you put like this, you will know that you will multiply 4 to M. And then the same number with the second. If you have third like that. Understood?
Yes, miss.
Yalla, let us check. I'll give you one more question here, Mateen. Very good, yeah. Lee. Come on. Don't look at all of this box. Just tell me how do you solve this.
Okay. First, 6x. Wait, 6 to 18. And then minus 48.
Very good. This is your answer. So let us put here. First thing is 6. One second. First thing is 6x. And then you will multiply 6 to 8.
40.
So you get 6x minus 48. Right?
Yes, miss.
Perfect. Malak?
Yes.
How do you do this? What do you multiply first?
First, I will multiply 0.5 multiplied by 5.
Multiply with y. So you get 0.5y. Then?
And then we will multiply that plus that by 5.
La, yeah, Malak. First, you multiply this y to 0.5, right? So I got 0.5y. Next, what will I do? After doing this.
Plus it by 5.
Okay, only 5?
5 point and y.
Yeah, Malak, you don't understand the concept. See, y, I multiply with this. I get 0.5y. Then I multiply with y. I get 5y. This is my answer. Okay, Malak?
Miss, yeah, I got the same answer.
Very good. Let us write down 0.5. If I do these questions, you will know your mistakes. That's why I'm practicing with you. Malak, please do with me again.
Oh, okay.
I'll give next question. Come on, Malak, tell me what will you do? First step.
First, we will multiply 3 by y plus 3.
Very good. 3y. You multiply 3 with?
Y.
Y. See, that's why I just write it. If I multiply 3 with y, I get 3y. Then I'll multiply 3 with?
Multiply 3 by z.
So you get 3z. Okay, and you plus them. So my answer is 3y.
3y.
Plus 3z.
3y and...
Right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Lean. Tell me what is the answer? minus and minus plus x over 2. Okay, because see, when you multiply 1 with something in the numerator, there's nothing. 1 with y, you get y. Then 1 with x, you get x. Over 2 and over 2. Minus y over 2 plus x over 2, right?
Yes, miss.
Perfect. Yalla, tell me.
It's gonna be 12x
12x
and 12 and 18 minus 18.
Very good. This is the answer. Malak, did you get it? Malak. Malak. First you multiply 6 to 2x, you get 12x, and then you multiply with, you get 18. You don't get write x and y again because there's nothing. Is Malak there? Malak?
Yes.
Come on, Lean. Just if you open this, what do you get? Plus or minus? Minus? 1.02 we get. Yes, 1.02. It's 1.02. So it will be minus 1.02b or it will be only 1.02? B, because here it is B, you will get a B here. Their answer is B. Okay. Vatim, you got this or no?
Yeah, miss, I got it. First, we're gonna multiply 6b and then we'll multiply 6b by minus 0.17, right?
Yes.
Miss, but I didn't understand. Do we put the b or no?
Yes, you put V. You put V.
Okay.
Very simple. I will do this for you.
Yes, 7.
Wait. Malak?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Malak. What is the answer? Choose.
Yes, miss. The answer is 7x and 7y.
Very good. Which? Okay, the last one. Excellent here, Malak. Malak, can you do this with me?
Okay, miss. First, we will...
I will help you with the multiplication.
Okay. Multiply 4 by 6.
What, you get 24 x and then minus?
And then minus by 8. Multiply by 4 by 8y.
I get 32. 32y. Very good. And then minus 3.
And then
this
minus
is your
by
answer.
3.
Yes. Now, do you have anything?
Miss, I didn't get the same answer. I did 4 multiply 3.
Why do you multiply 3? Is it in the parenthesis?
No, miss.
If it is in the parenthesis, you will multiply, or else you cannot multiply. Like, see, you must have a parenthesis here.
Okay.
So your answer is
24x minus 32y.
By minus 3. Understood?
Yes, miss.
Malak, very good, Malak. Did you understand now, Malak?
Yes, miss.
Very good. Come on, do this by your own, everyone. 3 of you. Do this by your own.
Okay, miss.
Miss, I got -4 plus 1 minus 3x.
Excellent.
Miss, I got the F,
Excellent.
the last one.
Excellent answer. -4 plus 1 minus 3x. But if you solve -4 and +1, what do you get? Because you can solve numbers. See, you can solve this numbers, right?
-3,
numbers,
yes, miss.
Yes. So the other answer is also -3, -3 minus 3x.
Yes, -3.
Yeah. So these two the answers, right?
Yes.
Now further, I cannot do anything with x and 3 because they are not same families.
Yeah.
Malak, any questions? Malak, any questions?
Yes, miss?
Do you have any questions? Did you understand this?
Yes.
Yeah, you can leave, girls.
Yes.
Okay, bye, miss.
Bye.